Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to check your downloads for your games and your updates on your Xbox One. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So I wanted to check my download speed on my game that I just downloaded on my Xbox One. How would I go ahead and view how long it would take to download and complete? So right now I'm just looking at the game in the Microsoft Store right after I began the download. At any point in time you want to check the download on your Xbox One games. Press the Xbox button on your controller and you will literally see the game in here downloading. And you can go ahead and select this and you'll be able to see the game under your queue. Now to get to your queue, you can go to My Games and Apps, then go to See All. Then if you go down to Manage Queue right here, you can go to your queue and it will show you the game that you're downloading and it will show you how much is downloading in the upper right hand side. So I'm at about 170 megabytes per second and it says it's going to take me 17 minutes to download this game. And then you can see when it's ready to start right there with the blue arrow. And then if you click on the download with A, you can pause it or cancel it. So that's one way to check your downloads. If you are looking for an update or something on your Xbox One, go back to this page where it says Manage and go to Updates, and you'll see your updates for your games like Fortnite, Brawlhalla, Fishing Planet, and make sure you have Keep My Games and Apps Update Today turned on. So on your Xbox One, it's super easy to check your downloads. Just press the Xbox button, and you literally can see how long it's going to be taking. Go ahead and click on it and go to the queue to see more information about it. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more Xbox One tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.